In this video, I'll guide you through how to change labels in Microsoft Planner. We'll focus on the fastest method using the board view so you can quickly rename those colored labels to something that actually makes sense for your work. First, make sure you're in Microsoft Planner and looking at the plan where you want to update your labels. At the top of Planner, confirm that you're in board view. This is usually the default view and shows your tasks arranged in columns, often called buckets. If you're in a different view like charts or schedule, just switch back to board so you see all your tasks laid out as cards. Next, open any task. It doesn't matter which one you choose because labels are shared across the entire plan. Click on a task card and this will bring up the task details window on the right side of your screen or as a pop-up, depending on your layout. This window is where you see things like the task title, due date, description, and assigned members. In the task details window, look just below the members section. You should see an area labeled labels. This is where all the colored labels for your plan live. Even if you haven't named them yet, you'll see a row of colored boxes, each representing a different label you can use on your tasks. Now decide which label you want to rename. Maybe you have a red label that you want to use for high priority, or a green one you'd like to call ready for review. Hover your mouse over the colored label you want to change. As you hover, you'll notice that it becomes active, showing you that you can click and edit it. Click directly on that label color. As soon as you do, a small text field will appear, allowing you to type in a new name for that label. And this is where you give the label a clear, meaningful title that your whole team will understand. For example, instead of leaving it as just a color, you might type something like urgent or blocked or client feedback. Type your new label name carefully, thinking about how you'll use it across different tasks in your plan. A short descriptive label is usually best, so it doesn't take up too much space on the task card, but still tells you exactly what it means at a glance. Once you've typed the new name for your label, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Pressing Enter confirms the change and updates that label across your entire plan. Any task that already has that color applied will now show the new label name, making your board instantly more readable and organized. You can repeat this process for any other label colors you want to rename. Just open a task, go to the Labels section, hover over the color, click it, type the new name, and press Enter. Over time, having clear, customized labels will make it much easier to scan your planner board and understand the status or category of each task. And that's all there is to it. By using the task details window in board view, you can quickly change your Microsoft Planner labels to match your workflow and help your team stay on the same page.